Very good morning from London. Welcome to the RANsquawk European morning briefing for today, Wednesday the 14th of December. Again, it's been rather quiet from the European session, trading pretty much range bound with some very thin volumes. A couple of things to be aware of. There was an uptick in risk appetite following debt auctions from both Germany and Italy. Pretty successful auctions, Germany selling their 2-year Schatz with a euro area yield record low, and despite the Italian 5-year BTP having a record yield for a 5-year, there was a solid bit of cover from Italy selling the full 3 billion euros, so was there a slight uptick in risk appetite on the back of that. Elsewhere out of Germany, there's been confirmation that they have reactivated their bank rescue fund, SOFIN. However, taking a look at the draft document passed into German Parliament, there is no section regarding the forced recapitalisation of banks, so Commerzbank still then denying that they will need any state aid. Looking elsewhere, there's been some action in Eurodollar as we've approached the 130.00 mark to the downside, which is a touted option barrier, a large option barrier touted there for that level, which has been defended so far. So keep a close eye out if Eurodollar does come to test that level again to the downside. And finally, from the ECB, there has been their 7-day dollar allotment today, coming in a rather high number of $5.1 billion lent to 12 euro area banks. Of course, the banks do remain anonymous, but it is a large figure. Just keep a close eye out on any other dollar-related flows, especially after the Bank of Japan yesterday night allotted their highest amount in their 3-day, or 3-month rather, dollar allotment. So it does look like the dollar shortage across the global markets is being felt. Looking forward then in terms of the rest of the session, in terms of US data, there is the import price index, and all following that will be the weekly DOE crude oil inventory data, and we also have a 30-year note auction out of the US. But that's enough from me. Have yourselves a great trading day.